very impressed with this. Now, you guys know I've been using the warm color palettes a lot in my abstract paintings, and there's so many different variations in hues you can do with that one palette. And you guys know I love black backgrounds, so I wanted to do like a dark background. You guys seen me blend it so that these colors would pop. And do they ever. I'm really happy with the strokes and how they turned out. And of course, this warm color palette just makes me extremely happy. Now, in these places, exactly what I wanted. That's why I wanted that dark base, because I wanted some areas to come through. And up top in a minute, you'll see the perfect spot. And of course, I wanted this burnt sienna to stay there. I didn't want to cover it. I could have stopped just maybe 2 or 3 strokes ago. But I was really into this and I had to force myself to pull back. But look at those light kind of wispies. I'm going to try this again for sure. I'm going to let a couple layers dry next time. So again, different than how Rinska does it, and that's fine. But look at that too. It is a little tricky towards the end, and she has that down to a T. So I can get the curves and everything, but sometimes the ending, but I just, thought in my head, just lay it sideways and grab it, and I should get some really cool designs with the end. And I really love that. And you still get the depth and the variation of the orange and the yellow throughout there. And then with the overlap here. I like that I went in kind of different directions. I wanted to do a little bit more different directions, but I kind of got caught up, but everything works. I love the curves and movement, and that's why I love Rinska's botanical so much. So hopefully Rinska sees this video, and I kind of did her proud. Thank you for the inspiration, Rinska. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, share, please definitely comment, and subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you in the next pour or painting.